Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to skip cutscenes in God of War Ragnarok. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To skip cutscenes in God of War Ragnarok, you need to keep in mind that this feature is mostly available in New Game Plus, NG+. That means you'll need to finish the game once before you're able to skip the main story cutscenes. Once you're in New Game Plus, there's an option in the settings that allows you to toggle cutscene skipping on or off. This setting can be found under the Gameplay tab in the Options menu. When enabled, you can skip or fast-forward certain non-essential scenes by tapping buttons like circle or X during animations to speed them up. You can also skip repeated dialogues and some post-battle cinematics. Occasionally, short non-story interactions can be skipped by holding down either the circle button or the Options button. This is especially useful for scenes that don't contribute much to the storyline and only serve as filler. In New Game Plus, the game gives you more flexibility to skip content that you've already seen before, which is why enabling that setting becomes important if you want to speed up your second playthrough. As you can see at the gameplay, you can turn this on available if you want to skip cinematic. So turn this from off to on if it isn't already, but if it is, then you should be able to skip most or more cinematic scenes in God of War Ragnarok. And that's it. So that's basically how you can skip cutscenes in God of War Ragnarok. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.